Hey guys, here's a new fan I got today. This is a Casablanca Ventura ceiling fan. I got this at Habitat today for like 20 bucks. It's IntelliTouch, which is right over there. The blades aren't original. I have the Panama 5 blades on it. The original ones, they were, it only came with 3 blades out of all the 5, so 2 are missing. I was pretty angry about that, but these blades look good on it. It's an antique brass, but with the polished brass blades, it doesn't look that bad. From a distance, it looks like all antique brass. It's from, I think, March of 1993, I think, if I did the serial number correctly. But there's the tag. It's 50-inch. These were basically the Four Seasons, just a bit bigger with 5 blades and 50 inches. But it's basically the Four Seasons. It's got the same motor housing. It's just a bit bigger. It's got high gloss oak, 2 high gloss oak. Here's the top. And it came 100% complete, even with the ball clip, which I was really, really happy about finding that. But I can't use it because of the mounting system. But I'll turn on the light. Yeah, there's power. So there's the light. I can dim. Slice, and then it gets brighter. That's full brightness. I really like this fan. This is probably my only IntelliTouch fan left, because last time I plugged in the Panama, it blew up basically. So this is my only functioning IntelliTouch fan. It came with its switch too. So I'll put on speed 1. It's a bit slow on this speed, and the bearings are horrible, as all Casablancas, but it does run on speed 1, even with the bad bearings. Emerson's loud. So here's speed 1, I'll move up to speed 2. Because the light is glaring. Sorry about my dogs upstairs. Guess they're running around. Speed 3. I guess I'll just stay over here. That light isn't that bad. It's blowing already a good amount of air. It's kind of this fan's kind of slow. I don't know why. There's 4. This is where it starts to pick up speed a bit more. And this is where the bearings start to get loud. And here I'm just like a little bit, but not that much. Speed 5. It's blowing good air, really good air. Really happy to find this fan. I love IntelliTouch fans, even though they are they do break a lot. Starts to wobble a little bit though. There's the bearings. Actually, I wonder if it's the thing inside of the motor housing. And here's 6. The only thing is that the flywheel is a little bit bouncy. It is a little bit rough. So that's probably why it's wobbling. I can see the blade brackets going up and down a little bit. It's not really that fast though. I wonder if that's something rubbing inside though. Why the lights won't turn on. I don't know why the lights won't work now, but let's see if the lights work again now. There we go. Oh, I think I reversed it, but anyways, yeah, that is a 50-inch Casablanca Ventura ceiling fan. So yeah, that's it. Bye.